Well, this is the netting. The remote doesn't work that great for it, to be fair. It's got a manual box attached to it. See if I can use this remote again. It's a tiny remote. Go through it if I can. Let's press on 1. And of course it's raining again. Typical summer weather in the UK. No, the remote doesn't seem to work. It'll go off. Will it even go off? No. Doesn't even go off. But there's a button here. You can see that. Can you see that? There. So if I press that button, that's that one. Almost static. Not bad. That's off. I think this is multi combination of everything. I suppose they twinkle a little bit like stars. Also notice there's one column here that doesn't work. Just that one there that runs along there. That doesn't work. So I'll check the cables if I can see an obvious one. Again, see what the other one is. There's the shed. You guys don't get to see that side of the shed, do you? This one. Sequential, I think they call this one. I think this is slow glow or something like that. I think it's just, yeah. And that one's a bit mad. It's got everything in it. And I think we're back to static. I don't know. Don't know what on. Like a blinking thing. I think that's static. And that's off. And so what do you think? It's not bad, I suppose. I think it would have been better if the cable itself would have been like black or something. It wouldn't have showed up so much. Maybe it's because my pergola inside is black. See on that end. Right, that worked. 10. Alright, that's it for now. Till the next time. Take care.